Hello everyone. I just wanted to give you a little help on number 5 and exercise number 5, the program exercise on number 5. This is number 5, page 179, lab number 3, lab and homework number 3, part 1. This problem is very, very, very important. I think you can learn a lot from this problem. So please, I want to break. There's going to be multiple parts of this thing, so please follow along and do along with me as much as possible with it. Each of these segments I have broken down to 5 minutes each, so there can be multiple segments of this. First of all, some of you are still having issues with setting up the Visual Studio compiler. I just want to do the 5 checkpoint again one more time. Win32, Windows 32 console application, the name of the excuse me, name of the lab that we're doing is chap3, okay, chap uppercase C, and number 3, one word. Give it a local directory and disable the create solution. Do not check this. And then once you get to here, disable the precompiler header and check empty project again for me. And like we did this for lab 1. Now in here, what we're going to do is I'll actually come down, add new items. This new item is going to be CPP. This is where you would actually come in and call this thing chap3 underscore number 5. Chap3 underscore number 5. I'm going to add this thing. Of course, I'm going to go in, give me a second here. I'm going to pause here. I'm going to pick up where we left off. I kind of paused and had to start taking minutes from this. This is our basic skeleton to start off from this thing. Number 5 in your book, bottom of page 179 in the 6th edition, states that the manager of a football stadium wants you to write a program that calculates the total ticket sale after each game. There are 4 types of tickets. There's the box, the sideline, the premium, and the general admission. After each game, data is stored in that's my clock watch, sees that bird from chirping. After each game, data is stored in a file in the following form. So there's a column for a ticket price, and there's another column that says number of tickets sold. So if you flip over page 180, it lists all that sample tickets with it as well. So here's what I would like for you to do. If you could for me, go into your file. I'm going to pause the recorder for the time being. I'd like for you to go into open up a notepad. If you can just go to any notepad, just hit notepad, just a blank notepad. And if you can create these files, they're the same files that what number 5 have given you at the top of page 180. So what this is saying is that the first column that you're looking at is the ticket price, and the second column is the number of tickets sold. So this right here is the box seats. This right here is your sideline. This right here is your premium, and this 25 is your premium admission with it. And these are the number of tickets being sold. So after you do that, make sure you save this. This is very, very important where you save this. Save this at the same level as your CPP, your main, the file that you are writing your C++ code. So I'm going to do file save as, and I'd like for you to navigate with me, and you look the way where I created this. Have of course in all of our labs where I have stored this thing. This is lab number 3, chapter 3. This is the project that we are doing this right now. Okay, so please call this exactly the way how I have it call it right now for you. This is chapter 3. What number is this? This is number 5. So I'm going to call this as chap3 underscore 5 underscore in data for me, please, and leave as a .text file extension on it, and you click on save. Okay, so if you notice, this is what it looks like right now. Alright, I'm going to have to pause the recorder to take on part 2.